Welcome to this edition of THUient and Specs. In this video, I will cover thermocouple temperature sensors. THUient Instruments offers many temperature measuring products that use thermocouples as the sensing element. THUient also manufactures a wide variety of thermocouples. A thermocouple is made of two dissimilar metal wires, which produce a voltage as a function of temperature change. Thermocouples are based on the Seebeck effect, which is a thermoelectric effect where a continuous current is created in a circuit where the junctions of two dissimilar conductive materials are kept at different temperatures. The measuring end of the sensor is created by joining the two metal wires together into what is called the hot or measuring junction. Thermocouples measure the temperature difference between the measuring junction and a reference temperature known as the cold junction. Typically, a cold junction compensation is performed using an RTD, thermistor, or diode to measure the temperature at the input connection to the measuring instrument. A small voltage, known as the Seebeck voltage, is created when the hot junction is exposed to the process temperature from the temperature difference at the two junctions. Thermocouples use standard sensors that are made of junctions of specific metal alloys, which have a predictable and repeatable relationship between the temperature and voltage. Different metal combinations are used for different temperature ranges. Certain combinations of alloys have become popular as industry standards, with different types best suited for different applications. Letter designations are given to the type of thermocouple based on the voltage-temperature relationship. The most common thermocouples are type K, Chromel-Alumel, with ranges around -200 to 1350 degrees Celsius. Type J, iron constantan, has a smaller range than K, around -40 to 750 degrees Celsius, but has a higher temperature sensitivity. Selection of the thermocouple to use depends on the application needs for temperature range, sensitivity, chemical compatibility, and magnetism. Color code standards have been established by national ANSI and international IEC standards for easy identification. One wire in the pair is always negative and the other positive. Often thermocouples are sheathed in a thin-walled stainless steel tube and packed with magnesium oxide to protect the measuring junction and for easier insertion into thermowells. Thermocouples designed with their measuring junction in contact with the sheath are termed grounded junction. Exposed type thermocouples have the measuring junction exposed to the process. Both offer the advantage of fast response time. In ungrounded junction thermocouples, the junction does not make contact with the sheath, offering the advantage of electrical isolation. Thermocouples are wired directly to the measuring instrument, or they can be extended with thermocouple wire. Extension wires are made of the same metal alloys as the thermocouple type. Standard electrical wire cannot be used. Sensor wires should never be run in conduit with power sources, or there could be noise problems. Commonly, a thermocouple is wired into a temperature transmitter when sending the signal a long distance. Don't forget to check back weekly for regular editions of THUient and Specs. THUient Instruments, right choice, right price, right now.